Yeah, I'm too good. Going hard. Yeah, I got that touch. I'm the champion. Boom, it's on like a supernova. Got me feeling good, I'ma show you. Doing it like I'm supposed to. So fresh. Take me over. Feel it in my soul, yeah. You see, I'm good. Yeah. So good. Yeah. Ooh. Feeling so good. Yeah. So good. Yeah. I'm good. So good. I'm good. So good. Feeling so good. So good. I'm
Feels like I'm standing in a timeless stream of light mists, of pale amber rose. Feels like I'm lost in the deep.
Love is permanent. Love is to protect and love is to provide. And that is what true love is.
Discovering you.
You met me at my lowest and saw me at my worst. But loving you gave me the hope I needed to live. Ilang beses mo akong niligtas.
Those days when rains come rushing back to me.
Happy anniversary, mahal ko. Yan ang bungad ko because today marks our 8th-year anniversary before we begin our new journey together as a married couple.
Secret moments shared in the heat of the afternoon.
To my husband-to-be, happy 8th anniversary. To be loved is to be known. Kaya I know you'll love this surprise. 2 gifts for 2 occasions. See you later. I love you so much. You're right to that.
Be with you everything I want to follow you. I love you always forever. Near and far, closer together everywhere. I will be with you everything I want to follow you. You've got the most
Sa loob ng 8 years, parang araw-araw mo pa rin ako nililigawan. The man of consistency, few words but full of action, and also full of clinginess. Thank you, love, for letting me experience healthy love, for being my peace, for choosing me every single day. I want you to see the world clear again. Oh my God! Wow! Oh! Thank you, love. I love you. See you later.
Alam mo, hindi ganun kadali ang lahat, lalo na yung first 3 years natin. Yung walang katapusan na away, hindi pagkakaintindihan, at mga bagay na hindi natin akalain na malalagpasan natin. Pero ganun pa man, nanatili tayo nakahawak sa isa't isa.
Thank you, Mahal, for being so patient with me, for showing me that love is never hard, that I am not hard to love. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, wala kang pinagbago.
Joanna Denise, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Raymond Joseph na narito ngayon? Alinsunod sa batas at malituntunin ang ating banal na simbahan.
Opo, Father.
All for you, oh, I do. It's like a bluebird with a song. Oh, I can't help but sing along. It's like a river wild and free.
Ang sarap lang balikan na yung taong inaasar-asar ko sa tuwing makikita ko sa office, naging kasintahan ko, tapos kasama ko na ngayon humarap sa altar at magiging asawa ko na.
Love you like we're dreaming, and we'll never stop believing. Wanna ever have this feeling, all for you, oh, I do.
With you, I know I will never have to do anything on my own. Lahat ng mga bagay na kinatatakutan ko, handa akong gawin basta't kasama ka.
Love you like nobody's gotten to, oh, I do. It's like a sunrise at a sea. Oh, with
Hindi ako magsasawa na alagahan ka araw-araw. Intindihin ka sa lahat ng oras. At higit sa lahat, mamahalin ka ng panghabang buhay. Nandito ako palagi sa tabi mo, nakasuporta sa iyo. Let's make new memories as husband and wife. Mahal na mahal.
love you like we're dreaming, and we'll never stop believing.
I can't wait to continue writing our love story forever and travel the world with you, my Elliot. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you.
Dance like no one's watching.